Hey everybody, today we have a little bit of an announcement that we're going to share with you guys that we haven't shared with anybody yet, except for maybe on Instagram.
I shared on the gram.
Okay. This also is going to be all done in one take. I'm saving time, no editing, so you guys are going to get the full no editing Michael
and
today.
Michael, the and Michael.
And
And Laine. Okay, so anyways, yeah, let's not do that. Okay, so we're going to show you this house.
Yeah, so we bought this house.
We did.
Why did we buy this house?
To flip it.
To flip it. We had a lot of ideas originally. We thought, okay, we love this house. We love the architecture. This house was built in 1899. This is in the town of Ava. I seen this on the market and I thought, oh, such a cute house. And it was priced right. And actually it was under contract. And then it fell out of contract the day I seen it. And I called the realtor and I said, I'm making an offer on it until we bought this house.
Literally in one day.
In one day. I said,
happened.
Hey, Laine, what do you think about this house? I want to buy it. She goes, go for it. So we bought it. So anyway, this is my first flip. But originally we were thinking, let's buy it as an investment and we could either flip it or we could keep it for ourselves and rent it or Airbnb it, which we love Airbnb.
Yes.
But after the economy has, well, the real estate market has done what it's done, we decided that it's going to be way better for us to flip it because the real estate market right now is insane. So that's what we're going to do. But we're going to take you guys on a tour today, show you what this house looks like on the inside, because on the outside,
it's perfect.
We're not doing anything to the outside other than just giving it a good power wash. We
Changing
are going
the green carpet.
We are going to replace that funeral home.
But who
green
was
carpet.
here? Who was here took incredible care of it. You can just tell that they took such good care of the place, and
Yes.
that's made it a very easy flip.
Yep.
Okay, come
Let's
on
go
in.
inside.
Can you open the door for you?
Yep. I'm still rolling.
Oh, really?
Yep.
No.
Yeah, so funeral home green, and then come inside. I do got lights.
I saw the light. I was baptized.
All right, so this was what. Sorry, I don't have a wide angle lens, but this is what they called. This is what they called the foyer or the parlor room back in the day.
Look at the floors.
It has original hardwood. However, they cut out a big 4x8 sheet, or they cut out a 4x8 section of the hardwood and replaced it. I'm assuming it had rotten or was doing something. So, unfortunately, we're not going to be able to salvage the hardwood. I did consider putting tile there, but it runs flush with the hardwood, so it just didn't make sense. So we're going to be replacing all of the flooring with new flooring, which is laminate.
I did not know that. So anyways. Alright then. Laine loves the hardwood.
Laine loves the hardwood.
Okay.
Now in here, basically the only thing we're going to be doing in the rest of this house, we've already replaced the ceiling fans. We're leaving everything the original dark trim. I love the style of that. It's authentic to us. We love to leave kind of things authentic. So we're not going to be replacing that. We're just going to be painting everything white and redoing the flooring and redoing the baseboard heating.
It's the dining room. Welcome. Come on in.
Yep, dining room.
New ceiling fan. We
New
already
ceiling
replaced
fan.
that.
Same situation here. Hardwood floor was underneath it, but they had some sections where they were patching. So everything in here is going to get replaced. A door to the outside porch. And that's a closet. And
Cute little closets everywhere. This is the kitchen. We've already replaced the countertops. We're going to paint the cabinets, walls, everything else.
And then redo the flooring. It's
Redo
got
the flooring.
old vinyl. Check out this. How old is that?
There's 3 layers, right? Or more?
Yeah. The flooring guys are going to have to tear up this original. Then there's this, and then there's that. But my flooring guys said they have never seen flooring or laminate like that. So I don't know what era. 40s, 50s. I don't know.
It's cute.
But it's old.
And then just a little, what do they call it? Laundry room, washer and
Utility
dryer
room.
room. Utility, yes, that.
Lots of windows in it. And it's a nice space. And then it goes outside. And we also have those two.
Remember that pattern from your childhood?
Oh, yeah. Those 2 storage buildings are also on the property.
Which I need everybody to put in the comments right now that would be the best chicken coop ever, and we need to haul one of those storage buildings down to our property and put our chickens in it right now. Say yes, Laine's right. That's a great chicken coop. Yeah.
And say no, it's not if you disagree, because
they're not going to disagree.
Sorry, it's not. Anyway, they're fine. I just think they're too valuable. I mean, those are like today's market. That's like a $3,000 to $4,000, storage building.
Well, my opinion is valuable, and I think it'd be cute for the chickens and with the door. It's everything. It's everything you need. Okay.
So we already went through the kitchen. Oh, so butcher block countertops.
Good old trash compactor.
We still got to put a sealer on that and make those look good. Got to put in the kitchen sink, which is this old farmhouse sink. So we're going to keep that original. We're not going to change that out. Just put in a new faucet's all we're going to do. And
our kids are here. We just left them in the car for a minute.
So this house was originally, like I said, $18.99. It was redone by the lady and her husband who has owned it ever since until we bought it. And they redid this in the 70s, and it had pink carpet.
All the way up to not in here. Come in here. Come in the bedroom. It had pink carpet.
Right there.
Yeah, all the way up the
Have you ever seen where they put carpet up the baseboards? I've never seen it until this house. But it was like that all in the master, all upstairs, and of course wallpaper.
So we're gonna paint this whole room, put carpet in, right?
Yes. No, I'm sorry. Laminate's actually going to go in here. And again,
very sad about the hardwood.
Yeah, again hardwood, but like they cut out a piece there to gain access to underneath the crawl space.
And so this is the only bathroom that's downstairs. That's real tile, and I think it's cool and vintage, so we're gonna leave that and then paint all the rest.
Yeah, so it's got a shower. We put up some panels there. So we're really not doing much in this room other than redoing the flooring, painting. We might replace that, but I'm not sure if we will. We might
I think
paint
we
it and
could
see what it
paint
looks
it
like.
and throw a mirror up.
And then this is the closet for the master, and it goes the length of that wall, and probably about 4 foot deep. So, and mirrors.
There was even mirrors in the kitchen.
Yeah.
It's just funny.
Well, let me go this way. And then,
Okay.
So this is the access to upstairs.
So there was carpet, obviously.
More carpet on the baseboards.
It's just so cute. I mean, even the stairs are cute how they wrap around.
And just a neat old house. So up here, there's baseboards up here, plus the window unit, which we're going to be taking out.
All paneling. It's already
All
got
paneling.
paint, a lot of it, but
Yeah.
we're just painting over the paneling. I think this is the cutest room ever because look at that vaulted ceiling. I feel like it's a little princess room.
Yeah, the only light in here, look at that vintage light. We're going to be taking that out. My mom said she wants them. So we're going to give them to her.
I love them. I think it's cute. Okay. And then here's another bedroom. I think if a family lived here, it would be plenty big enough to put a couple of bunk beds in. Little tiny closets. I think it's just so cute.
Yep. Got little bitty closets. This is the only original window that I could find in the house. Everything else had been replaced at some point. But all the other windows are pretty good. I would say they was redone probably 20, 30 years ago, but they're all double hung. So the top piece, also slides down, but they're all in really good shape still. Then we placed a ceiling fan up here, and once again, they had carpet all along these baseboards. I don't know, now that I'm looking at the baseboards, we were just gonna paint them. I don't know if that's the plan or we're gonna replace them. We'll see.
And then this next room was the grossest room of the house.
Yeah.
Because it was originally a bedroom, so imagine the hot pink carpet. I don't know if it's hot pink, but pink carpet. And then they decided at some point to make it a bathroom. So imagine pink carpet all here, and there was a toilet, a sink, and a tub for a child
Yeah, we got to
Look at the shower head. Like, what's happening? Anyways, it was all here on the carpet.
Yeah.
So men peed in the toilet and it splattered on the carpet, all over it.
Yeah.
That's what this room was. So we switched it around a little bit. Obviously, took out the carpet.
This was a closet.
Yes.
We had our construction guy tear out the closet, just make this space larger, put a larger vanity, move the toilet over, and so this room now will just be solely designated as a bathroom, and it's a big bathroom.
Yeah, they
Big
could put a
bathroom.
big, beautiful tub or something. I mean, there's all kinds of options.
Yeah.
But we're not, so originally we were going to Airbnb it and we had all these great ideas. But now we're just going to do the basic things. Paint, floor, and that way whoever moves in can, customize it to them and their needs.
Yep.
So, that's it. It's the whole house. Boom. Shakalaka.
Yep. Okay, so that's just a quick tour. I may go outside real quick and just show you guys what it looks like around the house. The only other things we've got to do is the flooring, which will be here next week, hopefully. So I hired some guys to come and do all the flooring. We got to get all the central heat and air figured out, all the painting, the cabinets painted, this bathroom's done. And so we're hoping to have the house on the market by the end of this month. I was hoping for the middle of this month, but
15th is the goal.
that's the goal, but it's the 7th now. So in 7 days, I'm not sure we can get all that done. I don't think we can. But I've got a goal to get this thing on the house as soon as possible.
On the market.
On the market.
Yep. Don't edit it out. It's not getting edited. Market.
Market.
Yep.
Okay. All right, let's go downstairs and I will take you on a quick outside tour and be done.
Okay, lights.
This is a little hall closet. So what do you guys think about this old house? Pretty cool?
You want to buy it?
Yeah, you want to buy it?
I'll sell it to you. Sorry about that.
No. I'll do that in a second. Or I can give you the keys and you can do it. While I do a quick tour outside. So the roof is already in great shape. The original owners, they just had great landscaping. She was an elderly lady, just took really, really good care of the property. It was in immaculate shape outside. Just needed a lot of updating on the inside. Here's these two storage buildings, which they do have power, and one of them is insulated and even has heat and air in it. But they're big buildings. I think they're 8, and I stepped them off the other day. They're 8 by 20, I believe.
You don't want to see the chicken coop? That was locked.
Well, yeah, that's okay. So the back side of the house. And this is in a quiet little neighborhood of Ava. Old part of town, a lot of old buildings.
Right by a church. That's the church parking lot right there.
And the square is just a couple blocks down. Great big large carport. There's also a storm shelter right there. Goes down just to the back section of the house. And then you do have access to get underneath the whole house through the crawl space that way too. But just a really neat old house. Really neat old house. I really struggled with the decision to sell it because I've always wanted to, I just love old houses and I've always wanted to own one because I thought, man, holding on to a house like this for 20, 30 years until I retire, then I could sell it. But like I said, the housing market right now is so high that for what we paid for it and what we're going to invest into it to get it fixed, we can make a great profit. So it just makes sense for our family right now to make that decision to sell it because it would help us in the moment.
Yep.
So that's what we're going to do.
That's the plan. That's what we've been up to.
Yep.
All right, so house is for sale and chicken coop in the comments. Okay. And have a great Sunday.
Thanks, guys. Hope you have a wonderful Sunday. God bless.
Bye.